Hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day. Today is the 15th, so you'll see this on the 16th. And I believe that it's day of, so even though it's the 15th, welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. I think that finally, as we're getting close to the end of it, I finally got myself organized based on my confusion. But this morning, what we're doing is yoga. I don't want to be a complete bump on the log just because my gym is closed. And I just woke up a little bit ago, literally just, like, look at this hair. Just change. There's a YouTuber I watch who goes, "You look the same as you always do, bestie." But, yeah, we're going to do some yoga. Oh, that's yoga. Okay, so I decided to leave because these are actually really warm, so I was like, I'm going to leave them on. I brushed my hair, but this part of my hair, because of how I slept on it while it was wet, it was like, we're not getting along with you. But I have some decaf vanilla chai tea from Stash, and I'm going to have a sweet kale salad for lunch because it's 12:33, and I'm going to watch a Christmas movie and then get into baking. Also, let's see what today's advent calendar is. Ooh, I think it's dark chocolate covered marshmallow. That actually took about a minute of struggling before I could get it out of that door. They're just so big and the doors aren't very, so there we go. But anyway, Charlie Brown Christmas time.
Thanatophobia. Maybe you have thalassophobia. This is fear of the ocean. Or Jephorophobia, which is the fear of crossing bridges. Or maybe you have pantophobia. Do you think you have pantophobia? What's pantophobia? The fear of everything.
Mother and I actually, in our realization that we need to send our cookie packages out, we need stuff to put the cookies in. So we are going to go out and do that. And I need to drive. I made an appointment for us to get our nails done later this week. And when we get home, we got to bust out like 4 cookies or something. I don't know. It's crazy. But we'll get it done here soon.
Well, you can do the roll-outs, but I can do the no-bake.
Well, because I still got to get those other 2 cookies done that are in the fridge that Jill had to chill.
Well,
Oh, look at the snow. This little spot called the Classic Candies. So it has like the Ouch bubble gums, the bubble jugs, button candies, like twirl pops, cow tails, just all kinds of the like razzles and stuff. Okay, we got some of these little containers and these containers here for cookies. Now I'm gonna put on my Christmas shows. Got the apron on. Got another cup of tea. Let's get this baking on. The crackle cookies. Gingerbread cookies. And hooray!
Mine.
At least one set of the Swiss colony stuff finally came.
That's how they're
My stuff isn't here yet that I ordered. That was supposed to be here
the 12th.
the 10th, between the 10th and the 12th, and it's now the 15th. And here are the crackle cookies, the first batch popped out.
Magic and wonder.
And now I gotta get out the gingerbread.
Yeah, I said I'm gonna have you all this time.
We're in middle of cookie chaos. So these are the houses. I'm still doing this. There's always a mess. But the first batch, the gingerbread people over here. Getting this to a boil. Oh yeah. So when I put the new thing of flour in our holder, I forgot to take the scooper out, so it was all the way at the bottom, so I had to dig it. Alright. So the first batch of no bakes are out. So cookies I still have to make. I got snickerdoodles. I gotta decorate the gingerbread and something else. Oh, the sugar cookies, the regular rollout sugar cookies that also have to be decorated. Snickerdoodles are a fast cookie. Those are like an insta cookie as far as baking goes. All right, we're back in it. We got snickerdoodles, baby. Flour. Get some of these decorated and then make the sugar cookies. Fun. It's 7:30. Alright, snickerdoodles first set in there. Gotta finish them over here. Okay, 5th batch of cookies for today underway. Last one, ready to go. Woo! Almost there. Almost there. Got them. Are they perfect? No. Are they going to be amazing to eat? Absolutely. real low on that vanilla. That's okay though. Cutting out royal frosting is a little bit of vanilla, powdered sugar, and milk. Third set, we're getting there. Here we got some homemade royal icing going on. Cookies of the snickerdoodles out and set. Getting ready to decorate those. There's just
You
crazy
want me to
things.
put these in the freezer?
Yeah, those can go in the freezer. You can take them and put them in the things. That's the last set of them. Like I said, those are a fast cookie, so if I need to make more, I can whip another one out pretty quick. And the sugar cookies are done and decorated. Alright. Woo! I apologize. I thought I was just having bad lighting. I think I might have smudged my lens and I just cleaned it off. I apologize. But it is a little after 10:30 and we finished cleaning up the kitchen. I have another bubble bath I used. It felt really good to cut the head off of this gingerbread man. And I used half of my Christmas Eve. That's the name of this bubble bar. That's what's going on there. And I have a mimosa. Oh yes, I do. So that is the end of Vlogmas Day 16? It's on the 15th. It's going up on the 16th. So I'll see you later. Bye, everybody.